how to use two Imo accounts in iPhone. So let's get started. So guys, in order to do that, let's go to the App Store and open the Imo app on your mobile device. So simply download the Imo app if you have not already and open the Imo app. So after you're inside the Imo app, you'll have to log into your account or sign up to your account. Now log into your account. Continue with your phone number and your reason. So after you have entered your phone number, tap on the continue, and here you can see you have been navigated to your Imo account. So now tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner and tap on the switch account option available there. And inside switch account, you will get to see the option add account, and tap on the add account in order to add another account in Imo. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.